Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m plus 8 whole square is equals to 64, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So here in the first method we just use the radical technique to solve this problem. So it means that we apply square root on both of the sides of this equation. So when we apply square root, it will be written as in this form: m plus 8 whole square and its square root is equals to 64 and its whole square root. And further in the next step, we have this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we will obtain here m plus 8 is equals to, here we know about that the square root of 64 is equals to 8. Now further you see here we apply plus minus sign. We apply plus minus sign on any one of the side because we apply square root on both of the sides. So according to this rule, we write here plus minus sign any one of the side. And now here in the next step, we need to break this fraction, we need to break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m plus 8 is equals to plus 8, and the second case is we write m plus 8 is equals to minus 8. And now here you see that we move this plus 8 to the right hand side, and it will be written as m is equals to 8 minus 8, and we get the value of m is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move this plus 8 to the right hand side, and we get the value of m is equals to minus 8 minus 8, and we easily get the value of m is equals to minus 16. This is the second root of the given equation which we get here in the first method. So these are the two values of m which we get here in the first method. And now here in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots of the given equation be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to substitute both of these two values to the above given question statement. And now we copy down given question statement. Here it is m plus 8 whole square equals to 64, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to minus 16. So here first we need to verify m is equals to 0. So for this we substitute m is equals to 0 into the left hand side of the above equation. So this will be written as in this form. We have, when we put this value here, it will be written as 0 plus 8 whole square is equals to 64. And now in the next step we have 0 plus 8 becomes 8 square is equals to 64, and we have this is 64 is equals to 64. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the above value of m is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the first solution of the given equation. And now here in the same pattern we need to verify the second value of m, so that we substitute m is equals to minus 16 into the left hand side of given equation, and it will be written as minus 16 plus 8 whole square is equals to 64. And further we have minus 16 plus 8 becomes minus 8 whole square is equals to 64, and we have minus 8 square becomes 64 equals to 64. This again shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the second value of m is also satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is m is equals to 0 and m is equals to minus 16. So these are the two solutions of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for a second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m plus 8 whole square is equals to 64. So in the second method we use another technique to solve this problem, and here we use the nice algebraic formula to solve this problem. And you know about that, if we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So here we apply this nice formula to the left hand side of the above equation, and after applying this, our above equation is written as m square plus 2 times of m into 8 plus 8 square is equals to 64, and we have m square plus 2 times 8 becomes 16, m plus this 8 square becomes 64, and further we move this 64 into the left hand side and it will becomes minus 64, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we have, this is m square plus 16, m is equals to, this is minus 64 and plus 64 are gone, and we get here m is equals to 0. So you see that both of these two equations, both of these two terms involve m, so that we will be take common m from here and we get the remaining values are m plus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write m plus 16 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of m is equals to minus 16, and this is the second root of the given equation. So these are the two roots which we get here in the second method, but in the first method we already verified that these two values of m are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is m is equals to 0 and m is equals to minus 16. These are the two roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.